Three, two, one. Let's look at the future. What do we want to look at? No, why is that inverted? Is that inverted? Look backwards or something?
It is. It's upside down.
What am I looking at here?
Upside down.
It is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you? Make this a little smaller so I can rotate. Oh, there it is. Your password for weeks. Turn on. So blurry? No, right? All right. It's just gonna be this. Okay. I'll have this over here. I'll have this over here. Right? And I'll just do screen catches of it and put it over there. Good, right? This is what's recording. And this is just on our screen. That's us. So I'm just going to snip this and put it in there, okay?
Okay.
So I'll show you how I can see the future. All right, March 20th. Oops. Expiration. Here we go. Snipper.
The snipping tool right there.
Yeah, thank you. There we go. Grab a new one. This one. Yeah. Gotta be able to see it because this is the future. Is that you?
Yeah, is that probably recording?
I don't know. Was that a
burp?
I thought that was a burp. All right. I hope you can see that. Oh, you can blow this up a little bit. Yeah.
Oh. That's a better size.
Can you see? Can you read that? Oh, I can read it over here.
Yeah.
Cost is going to be $25.43, and this is a number currency. What's your cost, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is in media or call option. Okay. So you know how to get the.
It's been a while.
You know what I'm going to ask you?
It's been like what since the last time we went through this.
Okay.
I don't remember.
Remember this one?
The rep text break even. That was you're minusing. No.
You're close.
You do the 100 shares. No.
You're right in the right area. Okay. Cost, right? So this is going to equal
to 8,000.
This is going to equal cost plus strike price. Okay.
So maybe put cost and strike price. On
Yeah.
the label it. Where
Right here.
oh yeah, there we go.
Okay. There's a call option. Okay. Cost is $25.43. That's how much we paid for it, right? And remember, this is times 100. So that's the cost, right, for one call option. Let's do this, right? Because how many call options do we have? Because there's going to be some multiplication here too. Does that make sense? Like how many you have? Like in this case, we have, this says 2 contracts. Okay. 2. Okay. Makes sense?
Okay, yes.
These are important numbers here. Hold. Okay. Because this is the math. This is what the monies are. So you have 2 of these. So your total cost is going to be
2 times that.
So you do remember it. It's in there.
I mean,
This, right? So that's your total cost. This is an important number too. This is how much you spent. This is spent. Okay. So that makes all sense, right? Nothing crazy. So you've paid for gold, basically, is what happened. And you did this a long time ago. You did this, let's see, we can open up this a little bit here. Do you see when it says we bought it? Oh, date bought. Date bought. Okay, so date bought. Right. Let's do wrap text on that one too. So I want that to be a bigger, so okay. So date bought. You bought it. How do you do this? 04
date
072025. See if it does it. How do you, I think you can.
there's a date thing there too.
There is here, right? Oh, date. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So that's important because what's happened is you spent money, and how long ago did you spend it? Right? And if you keep it to the end, it's March 20th. So you might as well do date expiring. This, wrap text one more time. This is going to show you, this difference is going to show you how many days your money is spent for. I think this is going to be an important equation because there's going to be a ratio here later. So date expiring is, this is March 20th, right? Expiration date.
March 20th of this year?
Of this year. And remember, you bought it.
And last year.
But look how many months.
Yeah.
Okay, almost. That's going to be important.
Almost a year.
About 11 months.
Yeah.
20. Thank you. Let's see if I can do this. 03 20 202 6. Thank you. Okay, so these numbers are important, right? Because they're going to give you a total too, total days. Right, so this, I wonder if this will do it. Equals.
Oh, if you're going to give you a
how
total
would you,
day.
yeah, this, what, minus this?
I might give it to you.
That's, yeah, that's right, 347 days.
I don't know why
because
I gave you
it's
minus.
just shy of a year.
Yeah.
And a year would be 365.
Yeah.
So that's basically it.
That's pretty
so
awesome.
it gave you minus because it just should be the inverse then. So it should be 15.
Oh yeah, okay.
Minus
that
14.
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah.
So this is the total days.
days.
This is an important number, right? This is how do you label this? Let's put it down. Let's put it down here. Let's do this cell here. This is equals this one minus this one. Let's remember that for later. That's an important. What did I do?
Equals or
no, that's it. Okay, perfect. And we can clear this. We don't want that there. We want something else there. We're not sure what yet. So this is a super important number.
Put total days or
yeah, great idea. Right here, right? Total days. This is going to give us this is our ratio right here.
Total days of just okay, total days, yeah.
This is going to be part of our ratio right here. Okay. So there's another part to this call option. Let's go back to this one. So this is what we bought. So this whole thing right here is, how does that look? This is money spent. Okay, so this, if you think about it, this is like a negative in your account. Okay. So let's go to the other part of this equation. And let's do another snippet. It's going to be this one. I think we just want all of this information. Okay. So remember, copy and paste. Smaller. The other one. Smaller. Right there. That's good, right? Okay, let's close this and open this. Okay. So this is all part of one. This is all part of one equation. Okay, so this. Oh, there's not a way to like underlay it or something.
Maybe not, unless you don't highlight the
whole cells.
The whole cells of the other one. Just do
the border.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I can do like, you know what? I'll attach it like this. Right. I'll do this. Okay. This is these numbers are basically gonna. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. No, I don't want to do it like that. This can all be right.
Yeah.
But this is the buy side of it, so that's the negative part. That's kind of what you were saying, I think. So this is the equation. Let's see if we need this. Maybe. Let's outline this. Okay. Good, right? We sell this bad boy up. Okay. Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
So same thing, you're going to get some stuff here too. So we're selling a strike price. So how do we do this? So same, just currency, 195. So that's going to give us a number. So this is a bold. Let's go with. All right. What do I? Yeah. I'm going. Okay, so this has some important numbers too. So we got this number as our strike price. So let's put it here. 195. And what is the strike? Sell strike. This is important too. This is important, like days is important. This is currency. right?
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense.
Yeah, 195.
Okay. So this is our break even.
The 105.
Which you understand that as equal this times 100. Okay. This is a projected break even.
So put that maybe. Would you?
Yeah, how would you annotate that? Let's just make it a color, I guess.
Maybe you could put a little bubble note, but I don't know if you could do that. Yeah, I mean,
Let's do, let me just change the yellow.
oh yeah, you could put a sign note saying
You could
project.
do yellow, and this is like,
Yellow.
we'll do it right here. We'll do it right here. Projected. Projected break even. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then just do this, and like that. Right? Because these two pieces of data go together. I guess that could be yellow too. Because this is also projected. Did we minus the two?
Minus. You did.
Oh, no, I haven't gotten to that part yet. Credit. Credit received. Did I spell that right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a super important thought process. So this is important. Credit received. Because this is money you are going to get. You already got. This you received. This is a projection, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's watch this play out. So where's the credit received? Here on this. Can you find it?
Is it the 400 or?
Credit received. That's its current market value. That's important. That's a good one to put on here.
Is it the
Current.
return? Just today's return.
Yeah. I don't know if this is important. How would you write that? Current.
How would you say it? Like, what is it? Today's
Okay, so
return? Like,
let's put the current received. Credit received. I think that'll help us sort this out. Okay, so average credit was 1045. 1045. And remember, this is going to be this times. How many do we have of this? NVIDIA, 2.
okay.
Right?
Contrast.
And that's this number times 100. Okay?
That's what you did up
That's
there
currency.
too?
Yeah.
No.
And that's currency. And it's currency. Right? Because we're talking about money here. You got paid $1,045 times 2. So we got paid $2,090. And remember, back to the cost. This option cost us money. How much did it cost us? It cost us $5,086. And we got a rebate of $2,090 already. This is an important number. Okay? Because this equation now has a current value. This is important. This is what you were saying. This is really important. So you got paid a certain amount for this, selling this strike price, this 195 strike price, because this has a projected value to it, right? So you have an $80 call option. This is how this thing kind of plays out. Okay. So you have an $80 call option and 195 strike that you're selling. There is a substantial difference there. So we need to capture that. So it's going to be equals this minus this, right?
Okay.
Because remember, you paid money out for this thing. But now, in this part of the equation, you were paid money. This part of the equation here, you were paid money. So this is how I'm looking into the future. This equation has a value today right now because you have a difference here of 228. So this is going to be, let's do this. This is going to be this number you got paid. Wait, it's going to be the other number. It's going to be this number minus this number. It's going to be negative 1862.
I said put in a parenthesis.
That's, I think it is backwards. Thank you. It's going to be this number minus this number. And I'll tell you why right now. Okay. So you got paid $2,092 to sell this strike price, right? And now that current contract is worth this, which is this 228 number. So this goes like this, right? You have the option to move this strike price down if you want to, which you would receive more money and pay down these two numbers. Let's do this now. Now these two numbers are going to interact with each other. Yeah, this is where this side comes in handy. Okay, perfect. So you paid a price for something, and it was 5086. Okay. And the break even is 10. I'm just going to transcribe all these over here. Okay. And its current strike price, that's the number we need. Current 177. Okay, so the current share price 77.80. Okay, that matters to us. Wait, did I put all that in one thing? Ooh, current. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's wrap text that. You see how this thing goes like this way and this way?
Mm-hmm.
So this is how you see into the future because you kind of already know some valuations. You see what's coming?
Kind of.
Okay, so the current share price is 1770.80, right? Isn't that what it says? And that's a currency number.
Current NVIDIA price.
This one, right? 177.80.
Oh yeah, I was looking
Okay.
at the bottom to there and the.
That's the current value. We're going to get to that one in a
No,
second
it
too.
says also current price 177.80.
Oh yeah, perfect. Thank you. No, I see it now. Okay, so perfect. It is on the it is on this guy. 177.80.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and remember how, so we're going to have projected profit. And that's going to be merged text. And this is going to go like this. This is going to be part of an equation. Okay, so projected profit is going to be our strike price, the strike price we bought. So it's going to be equal to this number. Why did I take that one? I didn't want that one. This number. L. Okay, so I need this
11. Oh no, yeah, L11.
Why does it keep picking that one?
Just can you just click on it?
I would just try to click on it twice. Let me just type it in. L11. Yeah, perfect. Okay. We're going to need that number. And it's going to be minus this number. Did I do it backwards again? Yeah, it's not so. Yeah, you can. That's fine, right? No, we did it backwards. Okay, this number P24.
L11.
P24 minus L11. Right? Okay, perfect. So these are some important numbers. Okay, because back out one more time. And remember, you have a cost.
Mm-hmm.
And now you have a projected profit. So now those two numbers interact. So this is going to be projected expiration. And this is going to be profit. Because profit is cost bold. Because this number and this and this number are the two most important numbers. So remember, this is times 1. And we have 2 of these. So it's going to be equal to this times 2. Quantity. Let me do the cell. Right? Because then it would make it the whole thing formulas. Right? Where's quantity? Quantity. Why does it do that? That's not the cell I selected. K12. Is it not in a cell?
Wrapped?
Yeah, it is.
Maybe no.
K12.
12. Yeah.
12. Perfect. Do you see that? Okay. So, and remember that is times. Let's put that whole thing inside of. Times 100. I don't know if that's the best way to do it, but it does work, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because this is the most important number. Because now you have.
It's a lot of.
You see how it's little steps with big details?
Like the math is very simple.
I'm telling you.
But what I would need to take notes is exactly like the steps, because you go back and forth. You're timesing this and timesing that and the total of this. That's what then it's like, yeah.
Okay, so just to recap, you spent a total of $5,086. And you're getting back at the end $19,560.
Okay. So then
So what is that? 400%?
So you minus. So
how do you do that?
What?
Growth. This is the number we want to get. This is the number that, because here's what growth is going to be. Growth is going to be days the capital was up in the air interacting with how much money and what was the end? How much was the cost and what was the end? So how does that look? So growth is a ratio of days spent, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because what you spent was the cash.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like buying a piece of gold and holding it for 347 days, right? And then in a year, it's worth the difference of what you paid for what you bought it for. The silver, as an example, is $30, and now it's worth around $100,
Yeah.
right? It's the same thing, but we bought that in 2016 or 17 when we were in Palm Springs, and we bought this 347 days ago. So that is rate of growth over time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that means we're going to divide by time. So if we go into this thing here, we're going to divide by time,
So,
and so it's going to be these two numbers interacting.
well, then you have to do the math first, right? The 19 minus the 5,000.
Exactly, I think, right?
And then you divide it by the days.
That's it. That's it. Do you see how easy the math is?
No, the math is simple.
Super easy.
No, yeah, no.
Okay, so it's gonna be
Definitely done more difficult math than
this
that.
number, and then minus,
The 5.
yeah, right?
Uh-huh.
This number,
Spent.
and then in parentheses, right?
Yeah, because you want to
So
divide it by it.
41.17. It's not dollars, it's a percent.
Mm.
4,000, it can't be 4,000.
Put
What
it
did we do wrong?
this.
What's M16?
Oh, you have to times it. No, divide it by 100 if you want a decimal, right? You just divided by the days, but that gave you the amount of the amount of dollars spent. But then now you want to convert that into into a decimal, so you divide it by 100, and that gives you a percentage.
Divide it by 100.
If yeah, you have to convert it to a percentage. You're not converting it there by a percentage.
Isn't that a percentage? What am
No.
I missing? Okay. Okay,
Right?
I don't know. Let's give it a try. So wait, it's another further, is that right? 417. That looks appropriate.
Yeah.
Is ChatGPT on here?
Yeah, it is. Just go on the website,
Where
on
are we
the
looking?
internet
Okay,
there,
here.
and then just
Oh, it's here.
I have it on. Oh yeah, there it is.
This one?
Yep.
Okay. This thing can probably help. New chat.
Yeah.
Okay, we're on ChatGPT now.
I'm telling you, that's how it
Okay.
is. But
How do you calculate? What's it say? Tab. Percent. I think my
yeah,
mind is thinking about it, and I feel like you're 100% right.
yeah.
All right.
Yep.
Where are you looking? Point it out.
Percent
Right here.
divide by 100
Wait, where?
times the number.
Percent divided by.
That's what is a 25% of 80, but then if you want to convert it to a percent, you times it. So you divided the big number, right? And you got a decimal. So now you have to times it by 100. Is that what you did, or you divided it?
I think I added another divider. So we
To
did.
find what
I think we
percent
did
one
that
number
one,
is
right?
another. So yeah, to find what
Yeah,
percent one
you're.
number is another.
Yeah, I think we're okay. Perfect. So I mean, I think that looks right. If you bought in for 5,000 and you make it to 20, that's 400%. So yeah, that seems right. 417.
Okay.
It seems like we're right there because remember, you received money for it, so you didn't spend this. Oh, we didn't write that down. Oh, that's another number we missed, right?
Yeah,
Where's the difference?
the difference what
because
The 19?
you got this number. So this number and this number have not interacted, have they?
I don't know.
New break even. We have a new break even because money has exited this position. New break even. This is how you see the future because this is how you know if you want to buy another one. Why does that look like that?
You put it's one word. You put break separate the even from break.
Oh yeah, thank you. I
There we go.
think this needs to be capital. Okay, new break even. Because this is going to be this cell, and this has to be. I'm seeing I did something wrong here, I think. Why do we have a 10,000 here? Oh, because there's two.
See, that's stuff like that.
Because there's
Details
two here.
you need to add, like specify
This was the
somehow.
total cost. Why do we have this?
The
This is not
10,000
right.
you did it by 2. You times it by 2. The
Oh, no.
5,000 is the projected
It's
break even
cost.
nation.
It's cost break even 10,000. Yeah, okay. Oh, this is your projected break even. But we're hitting 19,000. So there kind of shows you your growth.
So
Right? This is your money spent.
so you're that number, the 10,000 is it's a number that you're projecting that's going to be, but in reality
Yes.
the number is 19.
Right.
So it was
but there's
over.
a number missing here, and it's this number. You see it?
The 2,000.
Mm-hmm. Because look, this is
What
your
is that?
projected break
Credit.
even.
Oh, because that's a credit received.
Mm-hmm.
So you're adding it
Your break even will go down.
because you received it.
That's how you get to 417% growth. We're not showing all the growth.
Okay, so the 2,000, it's a credit you receive, and where are you minusing that
Right
to?
here. This guy.
From what number?
This guy.
The 10,000.
Mm-hmm.
Why the 10,000?
Because the 10,000 is your break even. This is your strike.
That's
This is a different number, right? This is the number of what the share price goes to. This number is different than this number. Okay.
It's different than the 2,000.
Mm-hmm. Because this is what happens. This is what happens to this number. This is why it's 400%. Do you see it now?
Why?
I see it now, dude. I see it now. Oh my god, dude. It's the same thing we just said down here. Watch. Watch. I want to do this. Okay, so it's this number.
Mm-hmm.
I see the ratio now. Divided by
Number
this number. 414%.
times 100
times 100.
to get the.
This is the ratio.
No.
That's how much you're making. It's a percentage.
You didn't put the one. Just put. No, just times it by 100.
Oh, thank you. That's it.
To get the percentage.
Yep. Yeah, just take that other thing off. I think it's too much now. I think it was right before.
Why is it doing that?
No, it's right here. This is the percentage. This is the number.
Right.
This is the number. This one divided by, because this is your cost and this is how much you're getting back. Right? So what's that called? That's that's your percentage growth right there. 415%.
Is it the same percentage as the
Super
one
close. 417. Dude. So I mean, you're definitely smashing it, right?
Yeah.
That's how you're getting this. This is your, what is this? This is how much we're looking to cash out at a 195. So we're going to fall short of 195 currently, right? But what this is showing is when you sell this call option, you have a projected profit of 4. So this is why I'm saying I could see the future, because if I hit this call option If it went above it, I would cap out at 417%. Because and that's 417% in 347 days. Like that's in 1 year you made 400 points on your money. That's pretty good,
Yeah.
dude. So so this is just the NVIDIA contracts. We still have to do the Robinhood contracts, which is another one of these, but it's way bigger. I think we can use these cells that we just made. Dude, if we did this right, oh my god, this is gonna be sweet. If we didn't do it right though, this whole thing should translate. What's happening here?
Just the cells are not big enough probably for the numbers.
You're right. Okay. Okay. How will we select this whole thing?
Oh, to printer.
I want to copy it and put it on another page because this is NVIDIA.
Well, you could probably.
I grab here, what, shift or something? Grab here to here,
You could do that. Like,
copy. Let's try this.
oh, you want to put it on another sheet. Oh.
And paste. Let's see if we go into the cells.
It didn't pay. It didn't like do it the right way.
Undo. Let's see if there is a way to do it like this.
No, there's a way to put.
I feel like one. I mean, that looks like it's working, right? Oh, trigger happy. What's paste special? All formulas. Okay, that's fine, right? Because then we could just change these numbers. Now we know all the numbers to go get them. Okay. Let's just go back and get the color schemes, though. I feel like that kind of helps. So from March to strike is like pink, like this, I think. Yeah. And then it doesn't go down that far, though. It goes down. Aren't these gridded up? This will help. Yeah. Right? And then, do I want to bold all this? Make this guy bigger. Make this guy bigger. What are the bolds, right? Are you seeing it? 80. Are these bold?
Yeah,
They
these
are.
are bold.
I don't want everybody bold though, right? We want the we want the strike. Okay, I see it. It's this. And this.
Oh, why are you copying it to another page?
I'm just making the format the same. I don't know why it didn't transfer all the format. You see, because you know what I'm saying? Like these texts.
Well,
maybe
go to file.
Yeah, hang on. There's got to be a way to just copy and paste it. What were you saying? That's it, right?
I want to remember how we do this.
Hang on.
I think you
here
could
we
put
go.
the
Copy.
same. No. Well, because you're not. See, when you copy it, you're not highlighting technically the same amount of cells, right? You don't. I don't know if you could actually do that. Temp to translate.
Copy.
Insert copied cells. Go down.
Where are you looking?
Down. The same thing, but go down more.
I see what you're saying.
Insert
yep,
copied
I see.
cells.
Okay. Okay, but I'm gonna copy it. Now I'm gonna do it onto this page. Insert copied cells.
Why is it
right?
Yeah, those
No,
things
let's see. Let's see.
that there is you just it's a screenshot. You can move those things.
These guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect, right? Oh, they have it in there. Why isn't it?
It's the cells are just small.
Oops. Oh,
Just pull it from the top.
What?
Like the cells, like where the letters are, just
Make it bigger?
yeah.
Expand it?
Yeah. There.
Oh, dude, rockstar. Perfect, yeah. Nice. Dude, you're the best. I don't. What would I need to do? Grab all of this, maybe. Let's try that.
Why? Because you don't think it did it
Yeah,
transferred? It
like
did transfer.
copy. Hang on. Because then maybe it keeps the spacing. Copy. Let me just try like a third page. Let's see.
Insert copy cells.
Thank you.
You can. Yeah, that's why.
What? Do this?
Just do it bigger, like bigger than the other one. Okay, so now insert copy.
Thank you. Select just one cell. Wait, what happens if I do this?
I don't know.
I feel like we're missing something. What are we doing wrong?
Why is it not going in now? Insert copy cells and see it like.
What did we miss here? Okay, hang on. Okay. Shift. Oh no, that's not it. Like that.
So just remember it's F through what? What did you copy through? F through
T.
T and.
Oh, it went in.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, sheet 3.
So it's F through T.
Oh, yeah. Select that here.
I don't know.
F through T. That's it. Because now all the formatting's right, and you can see everything. Just shrink these down.
Yeah.
That's what we did. Okay, but why are those now blown up, right? Because you want it like that size. But we're going to do it for Palantir, so we'll just delete these. But how come they don't stay the same? Weren't these smaller on that other sheet? Yeah.
I don't know.
Because it's a picture?
I think so. It has to do maybe, yeah.
All right. Well, that looks really good. I think all the stuff's there. So we're just going to change it. We're going to go Palantir and do the same numbers. 75. 70. Okay, so just some things change, right? Let's watch and see if the cells work. Okay, so Palantir, we have a $70 call. See it? See if currency stays on? Nice. Okay. See how the numbers all just shifted? Okay, cool. All right. Where's the current share price? Right here. You can see 136.93. This is how you can see the future. 93. See the numbers change?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We have a cost on this one. See it? Average cost. And that goes cost here, right?
Yeah.
Cost, yeah. 25, 29, what does it say?
58.
29, 58. Okay. So the numbers all kind of changed? Okay. And there's 11 of them. Quantity.
2, yeah.
11. See it? Watch the numbers. See it? Okay. What else here? Oh, we need days. Expiration date is 3/20, same thing. And date bought 3/24, so that changes. 03/24. 2025.
Mm-hmm.
See the days change?
Mm-hmm.
Didn't you see how it changes down here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. All right. So what are we missing?
How about the 2,958? That do you change that number?
Where are you looking?
Is that the quantity?
Where are you looking?
This.
No, that's the cost.
That's the cost
Because
times.
remember, it's 100.
It's 29 times the 11.
No,
times
20
the 100.
times 100. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because this is a cost per share. You got to. So for a contract cost.
There.
No, I feel like it doesn't. Here, let me put it right here.
I
Actually,
mean, it
that's
says on the formula.
Contract cost.
Put
Because this is the per share price. I'm actually missing a label.
So then put 100 times, like, describe it a little bit more. Parentheses, 100 times.
Here you go. And this is okay, per share, per contract. That's what you were saying. Let me just do. You know what? I can actually just take this off, and this becomes a capital. Per share cost. This actually makes the number easier to look at. When I look at per share cost, I think that's a very easy number to look at. Because it's like, oh, I'm going to spend $29 on something. Okay? Think of it like that. And it makes the math so much easier because if you spend $29 on something, you get $200 for it. Like, that's pretty easy to see that you made money there.
Is this wrapped?
Is it what? Oh, nice. That's good.
Yeah. So contract cost is what? It's 2958 times 100.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so then put that parenthesis.
There you go. That's a great idea. Is
20
per share cost. Thank you. Per share cost. See how it's just like that's all you have to think about it, right? Like the days per share cost. That's okay. What's happening here? Why did those?
Put per share cost times 100.
Here.
On the parentheses.
Per share cost, contract cost, per share cost times. Yes, thank you.
Inside, like.
Times 100.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you could do that too.
Right? Per share cost.
Yeah.
What happened here? What is this?
It's the same thing. It probably.
Oh, it just needs to enter? Oh, it needs to get bigger?
Maybe. No.
It's going to be.
Formula got.
Oh, break even. Okay, so we're missing a number. Break even. Oh, break even is going to be the. We're missing numbers.
They were there.
No, is it from down here? L12 plus L11. L12 plus L11. So, okay, it should be, yeah, that's right. I'm missing the 80. I'm missing, yeah, that's what I'm missing. We messed something up. Per share cost, break even, L12.
You could just
adding.
Or go back.
Yeah, why isn't it going in?
Maybe
that is the number.
Redo.
L12 and L11. L11. Oh, that's why. This has to be a note.
Oh, because you changed it.
It's because it's supposed to be the strike of 70. That's why this is messed up.
Oh, yeah, you had 70 on there.
I had 70 on there. So how do I make this like a note?
You can't probably just put the note on top of the 70.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
And then wrap text.
And then put the color to
Per share cost. This isn't right. Per share cost. But there you go. There's your break even. It's the 70 plus the 25, 29.58. That's how you get to 99.58. That's what we wanted. Okay. So now we have to do the bottom. We have to do the dates. Did we do the dates? March 24th and yeah, so we have the days right. So perfect. That looks good. Break even looks right. Projected break even. Oh, did we put in the today's share price? Yes. Yes. A lot of numbers are already right. Okay, cool. So half the equation's done. This is how we see in the future right here. It's just going to be like the other thing, but bigger. 320. So we're selling a strike of 145. Credit received. This is going to change some numbers. Pay attention. Average credit 735. Okay, so the current value is 373. This is the credit received, projected expiration, current share price. All right, what are we missing? What's this 337% just hanging out right here?
No, you
Oh,
did
that's the growth.
Yeah, we label it.
Why
See,
isn't it labeled on the other sheet? Yeah,
you
it's
didn't
not.
label it. You
Okay.
didn't label it. Yeah.
Okay, so what is that called? I'm on the wrong one.
You should
What
do
is that called?
Break even percent or break even?
Oh, growth percent? Growth?
I don't. I
Because
think
this is the money. What is this? Money times days, or money divided by days, right? This is N13, N13. Yeah, this is N13. Shouldn't it be N12? Yeah, total contract cost. It should be N. It's N12.
M or N as in
N.
Nancy.
It should be how much you spent. So this should be a 12. Did I mess that up on the other one?
I
Maybe
think so.
this is what I was thinking about.
And
And then
12
M12 is this? No, shouldn't it be this? Days.
divided by
Total days. Because we're selling this right to the end of this. This thing that we're looking at. This is the leap profit summary. Like going into the end of the. So because you know how much money you spent. So this is actually the projector for what you should get next.
Okay.
You spent a total of $32,000, right? 32,012. Yeah, perfect. And 12, and then divided by days, and that's
M16.
M16. So we need to change this one to M16,
Wait,
and this has to be a percentage. So what is it? Times 100. If it's got to be a percent, yeah, right. You know. That's what you were saying before. Divided by 100. Let's look. We have it pulled up right here. I think that's right.
90%.
So that's 90% growth in
361 days. Label it. Don't leave it like floating.
How do you do that? Okay. Okay.
We'll
Exactly what the equation is. And it's money invested.
So what? So it
Cost divided by days. Cost divided by days.
Cost, which is the
Cost
32,000
divided by days. So
by
how
361 days divided by.
So they say the stock market grows 10% a year, but in less than a year you grew 90%. I feel like you're out doing the stock market. and here, but here's this is part of a bigger equation. And I'm really bad about documenting this part because I really haven't been able to identify what it is. Like, so if you look at the timeline, right, these sheets would run concurrently. They would stack up like this as you're in a position.
Mhm.
So if you start with this, we're going to kind of go like out. And let's make it take the outside border. You copy that. What is all this stuff? Do you know?
It's just
Can they
tables.
make us charts and stuff?
You can make charts. Yeah.
You want to try? Oh my god, what is that? What does that say?
I don't know. You have it a very small writing. That's
Oh,
why
let's
you're
go in.
like you're not gonna see anything. But you also made it too big. Where
I see what you're saying. So you look at it.
like, why did you minimize everything, even the top one?
Oh. Here. Let's shrink it. Let's go back. Right?
Oh,
And now we can just go in.
there we go. I think now you can kind of
Let's
read
look at
it.
it like this. Let's see what it says on here.
Yeah, chart.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Quantity cost, total contract cost. Is this big enough? We need to just go in more, huh?
You could increase the size of the
Chart?
just the
This?
yeah.
Thank you. I don't know. Is this
It's
valuable? Do I have the wrong info or something?
you probably have to set it up a different way
Oh, here you
because
go.
you
Yeah,
don't
like
have
filters and stuff.
you
Yeah,
don't
X
have
and
X and
Y.
Y
There you
axis
go.
on it. So
Dude, you're so good. You're so good. You know all this stuff. Like that. What do we got here? Let's see what we got here, dude. Let's check filters, right? Yeah, right? This is what you're saying. Select data. Or is it like displays?
so
What if we take all this stuff out?
your type of data that you have, it's not really chartable. I
No,
think
it's
it's
got to be.
more like a pie chart type of thing.
Oh, no.
It's
No,
not.
wait. No, wait. I know why. I think I know why. I got you. Yes, you're right. You are correct. Delete. How do we delete this? We selected the wrong information to chart. Is what you're saying.
Yeah, just to leave the no.
Oh, I know. Like this, right? Nope.
There you have it selected. Just so and it's
Delete.
not.
Delete.
There we go.
Thank you. You're right. What you were saying is, what happened here? What is this supposed to be? Oh, we haven't finished this chart up here.
So
we are going to select this data to chart, is what you were saying.
you have to, yeah.
Mm-hmm. You want to select how much money was used and for how long, and that will chart that. And that then you select this whole sheet to build. The reason I zoomed out is if this is one contract and you've spent money and you have money coming up,
Yeah.
right? You know what to spend more money on in the future. Because what happens is these things. Copy. Right?
Why are you copying it again? I don't know what you're doing.
Because it's going to go this way. This is why I'm telling you I can see forward in time. Because this is
So my recommendation in that is that because it's the same
This is,
So
look,
instead of doing and copying like that, you're gonna have to
March.
leave if you want to create charts on it.
I think this is the way to do it, buddy.
No, you can't do it this way. So if you want all the information going into one chart, that first thing that you created has to have an empty space for each year or each that you're doing to input the data in there, so that way the Excel goes in and takes the years and plots it in and saying that the growth over years is this.
Yeah, because that's the biggest thing that you want to show.
Yeah, but doing
But
what
then
you were
how do
doing.
you, okay, so how do you do it?
Well, this is your first year, right?
No.
How
And
many?
that's my point.
What other years have you? Like this is your what? Third year
Exactly.
with this
Exactly.
share with.
No, with this money, because remember, this money got spent.
Okay, well then you have to organize it a different way. So this is for 2025 to 26, right? So then now you have to do a one, but underneath that for 2000 for.
No, I disagree. And I'll tell you what. So this is a calendar year, right? So this is a time frame, and this is March, right? And I have the reason I was saying like to put it right next to it, because like this changes to December.
So it's a monthly thing then.
It's a frequency thing. This is how long, when your parents buy a CD. You buy a CD,
Yeah,
you put money in.
every six
You
every
put
six
money in
months.
for an amount of time and you get a
Yeah,
percentage of return.
yeah,
Right? That's what a
yeah,
CD is.
yeah,
This is a CD,
yeah.
but it
But
makes 90%.
but you don't want to include all this data
Yeah,
on the
I feel like you do.
on a chart, because what you just want to see on a chart, it's not the detail information. You want to see the growth.
Uh, Let's see if this thing.
So
Do you
you
think that this ChatGPT can build us a growth model for Excel? Let's see what it'll do. Let's ask it.
just
Where's our. Okay. Can you help me? Right? Let's see.
with what though?
Okay.
The growth model
For capital to use in Excel. Okay, this assumes you invest a starting amount. Yes, it grows at a fixed annual rate. No additional money added. Future value equals present value. Okay. Excel setup. There's two options. Initial capital, annual growth rate, growth model with monthly contributions more
see
realistic.
what you're doing here.
Uh-huh.
This is
This is that, right?
this is the formulas, and it gives you the numbers.
Yeah.
Those are the numbers that you're going to take and create an X and Y
Right.
columns, and then you plug in those numbers
Right.
with the months, but
Yeah.
very well organized, and then that's what you are going to have it create a bar chart. But you can't do it with all those numbers, because you just saw what it looked like. It was a whole mess that it was not understandable. So the important numbers here are right.
These numbers. These numbers.
So
It's going to be that. Okay.
that and
So go into charts. Let's see if we.
these numbers, right? Oh, they don't show.
Oh, I think we need to finish this. Let's see, because I don't know if we've put in. Did we put in our stuff down here?
I don't think so. I don't.
Or where is Robin Hood? Where is Robin Hood? Where can he be? No, because this is the NVIDIA one still. Did we do the Palantir one over
You're
here?
in. Make sure you
I'm on
delete.
sheet 3.
Okay.
This is Palantir. This is NVIDIA. So these are different positions. Because we also have a SoFi one that we'll do later. And what happens is you spend money and you have a receipt of when you spend money. Right? Like, for instance, I've kept some of my poker winning cash outs or my tickets that I bought if I've won or had a really good tournament. We'll write some notes on them, right? And I feel like this is the same thing because you take notes on everything that happens in these positions. And when you see a similar pattern come up, you have opportunity when you have the position over time to watch it fluctuate and when it fluctuates. And man, I feel like there is a trick. And I think this thing helps you see it very easily.
Yeah. No,
Whenever it's cheap to spend money, it's quite possible to make a lot of money. That's the trick.
Yeah.
So it's cheaper to spend money when the market is down. Because if you go back in Palantir and look at what this cost back then and look at what it's trading for now, you're like, oh, wow, like that's an easy way to spend $5,000 if you know it's going to profit you. Where's that number?
Yeah, you just need to
Okay,
get.
so it's these things need to be updated because this isn't 195. This is 145. These are different prices. Okay, and then credit received 735. Average credit 735. It's going to change all these numbers. Current value is 373. Okay, what is this one? Credit received. Credit received. Did that update? That should be. What is the? Yeah, see, I didn't do the quantity. This is a mistake. This should be times quantity, and this should be 11. Okay, so here, maybe that's why.
I thought you had changed that one.
Let's see. I did
That's
not.
the NVIDIA.
Credit received.
You're doing it NVIDIA.
Ah!
Yeah, see, careful. You just changed all the
You know why? Because did I?
You changed a lot of the numbers.
Let's see what makes sense. Oh yeah, you're right.
I mean,
I see where it is. I see where it is. I see where it is. This is NVIDIA. That is NVIDIA.
Yeah, because I remember you putting
Thank
11.
you.
I'm
Oh
like,
my
what are
God.
you doing?
Let's go back. Did the
Oh,
names
this
go
is
on?
much easier
Names
to
go
see.
on? Okay, here we go. Okay, thank you. Oh my God, you saved me, dude. I'm like, dude, why is it all messed up?
When he changed
Okay,
the
what
2
is
to
this?
11, I'm like, wait.
2958. Okay, so this was the one you were concerned about. This is okay. So maybe this needs to get a little bit bigger. Yeah, look at that. Okay, nice. Okay, let's see. So let's see. Does that make sense? You spent $3,000 each and you bought 11. Yeah, it should be 32,000. Okay, that's good. Break even. So this is per contract. So this is a bigger number. Okay. So per contract. So this is a different growth number, right? So you spent $3,000 per contract. So we're looking at this number is important. Let's do thick gold. And this number is important. And then this number is important. So these should go in a graph, I think.
Okay, so.
Right? Because look.
Yeah. So then, okay, so then.
Like a safety net, and then what is the. You see what I'm saying?
So in the graph, what do you
Hang
want?
on, is our recording still on? Okay, sweet. Oh my God. I feel like we've been talking for. How long is this recording?
It's been more than an hour.
No.
Yeah.
Oh my god, an hour and 15 minutes,
Yeah.
dude. What do you think though? It's not crazy, right? It's
No,
super
no.
simple.
It's simple. It's very the math is very simple. It's just a matter of organizing things and labeling things to
Okay.
understand it really well.
Okay, is date bought correct? Because this is Palantir.
The
Date
24.
bought. Where do you see date bought?
You just
Oh, this is the credit. I got to go back to the call option here. This
oh
is
my
different
goodness.
too. 11 324 date bought 324 expires. Yep. So that's almost the same date. Okay, cool. So that's all right.
The nut butter numbers, I think you didn't change. The ones in the no,
Here.
those are yeah.
Here. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. So this looks all good then.
Mm-hmm.
So what is this 5,086? I feel like it's not labeled.
Mm-mm.
Contract cost. Is there a label here? What is this from?
I don't know where you got that.
Oh,
Break no, the 9,000 minus 2.
is it? Yeah, that looks
Oh, but
right.
there's no formulas though. Look, you clicked on it and there no there. You don't have a
So I
formula.
typed in 5,086. Is
I
this
don't
just a mistake?
know. Look at your other one. Look at NVIDIA.
Thank you. That's a good idea.
You have it
NVIDIA.
there.
What
Let's
is
see the
the
formula there. There's no formula. I don't know.
Oh, I just brought it over.
I know, but what? Why do you have it in NVIDIA?
You know what it should be? It's just oh my Palantir. Okay. It should be it should just be this number.
The 2,000?
Yeah.
900?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. Because this is just the total cost. So it should be.
You have it in sheet 2 now.
Thank you. What is sheet 2 supposed to be?
Just delete it. No, it's nothing.
Oh,
It's
we
just
started it and we stopped it. Yeah. There we go. Because we tried to do a thing.
mm-hmm.
Okay, so this should be what? This number. Total cost. Total cost. Total cost. So it's just total cost. Right? Coaster. Because this is
total cost of what?
here. This is just bringing this number over. Because this is going to interact here and it's going to interact here later. I mean, that's what it looks like. Why didn't that bold? Because that's
You're
what that
bringing
looks
it
like.
2,000, so it's not 5,000.
It's not. It's going to be, I'm going to make it this number. Because this is a cell. Right? Yeah, that's a cell. So this has to be a cell too. So that calls that one, because then you could just select cells this way. So projected break even. Okay, projected break even should be today's share price. Where's that? Current share price. This has to change. No, that's right. 190, 136. Okay, that's good. Credit received. Now we need to go back to the one that's where
Make sure you have the
Palantir.
Yeah.
Palantir 145, 735. That's good. What is this? 136.93.
You have the cell selected? No, you have the other cell.
Thank you. Times 2. So this, again, here's
This
a
is
mistake.
times 11.
Times 11, but it should be the quantity. So
Why
that's
don't you
another way to
just
fix
grab
the formula.
the cell?
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing. So that's why you just fill in.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do it for SoFi because I feel like we just updated this formula. It looks pretty good. Which is another timeline and another place we spent money. But like as these fill out, you'll kind of see like we put up, and if you keep it at the super easy level, we put up $30, okay, and we're gonna get back $66. If that's what this one is right now, I don't know. Okay, what's right and what break even? That's right. That's times 100. So we would get 9 grand back each. So we put up we put up 3,000 and we got almost 10,000 back each. Okay? But the actual, this needs to be a little bit bigger. You see that?
7.
This number and this number.
70 times.
No, this number. Okay, here, $30, and you're getting back $80. That goes on the graph, right? That's what you were saying.
Yeah, because I mean,
Okay, so where's the graph? Where do you go for these? Data?
Click on that.
Oh, formulas?
No, that's the formula to do.
Data. It's got to be data.
No.
Insert.
Go to
Insert. Draw?
or draw.
Is it not on here?
No. I remember.
Data model?
Oh, you know what? You have to create the table, the columns, and then I think when you highlight it, and then it pops up, I think.
Text from web, from table, from picture. All right, let's start here. Currency. I feel like we just looked at it.
Because you highlighted it, remember?
Insert. Okay, insert. And then...
you want column, line.
Yeah, right here, right?
So that's a column. Yeah, that's the column. That's the line.
Charts, recommended charts. Histogram. Is that it?
I mean, what do you want to just see progression, or do you want to see?
Okay, I want to see two things. It's because it's going to show us two things. Thank you. This is really helpful. So you put money into something.
Yeah.
And this is like a great example of almost this exact same equation. So we bought this. When do you think it was?
What, that coin?
Yeah.
Did we have Emma?
No. I don't think so.
No, we did.
Where were we staying?
We did. I think we left the Emma with my parents. At least.
Oh, was it from Justin McWilliams' house?
At least 5 years. Either that or when we went with Nate and Rachel.
Yeah, so time. And then cost. Time.
So time, and well, the time, right, that it takes, and how much you make.
Where's this ChatGPT?
You just had it. It's right there. Compare time, money.
Opportunity cost. That's exactly what it's called. I think we talked about this like 3 years ago. I feel like when I heard this equation, it made me think of one very specific thing. And it's the tale of silver. Right? We bought this silver, what did you say, 5 years ago?
I think
5 years ago.
maybe
And
6.
we spent $30 on it. And so let's look at the opportunity cost. We'll come back to the chart in a second. But and I think we just found our answer. Let's look at this big understanding of opportunity cost. This is it, dude. This is the real equation. And it's super easy. I think I murdered that spelling. Is that how you spell opportunity?
I think it was an not apu, upper.
No, it's O here.
No, after
Here.
P. Yeah,
Poor. Okay.
I think. I don't.
No, that looks
Opportunity.
right.
Yeah.
That looks right. Why didn't it autocorrect
It's
this?
Excel. It's not gonna like. I don't think it corrects the
Oh,
spelling, right?
home.
I don't
I
know.
don't know, dude. I'm learning this with you kind of as we sit here. Opportunity cost. This is if you can understand this equation, you can understand options. It's this easy. And this is like when you look at the formula like this, it breaks it down like you're going to spend money right now and the this is where the line is. And when you look at opportunity costs, you should look at opportunity cost against time this way. And I'll show you something that's crazy.
So
Because I'll
that.
show you how this is all when as this gets bigger and longer.
Mm-hmm.
Did I if I zoom out? Yeah. As this gets bigger and longer this way, your opportunity cost goes up. Because there's positions behind this position.
Mm-hmm.
And they're growing.
So yeah, if we're in this case, then the line graph would be good.
A
Excel.
line graph would be
So
great.
it's the same stuff that they use, the line graph.
Yes, that's exactly right. I think that's exactly right. Because this is all going to have to be filled out just like this was for the because this is more money going forward. This is a new opportunity cost driven from the credit received because the credit is income.
Mm-hmm.
So, long story short, if you add up all the money that we're going to get in March, it's going to be like 100 grand. And what our goal is to deploy capital in 1 year and turn 100 grand into something between whatever this profit ratio was. What did it say it was? This one, right? This one.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, why is this 11,000%? Is that right?
No, it
If
is. Hmm.
if we're,
I don't think you finished the numbers in the bottom, right?
are you
Did you?
sure?
I don't know.
Oh, cell strike 145. What's this number? Why is it so?
It's a parenthesis, so it probably should not be. Maybe you did it the opposite.
N23. Oh, this is how much we got for it. Credit received 8,000, 8,085. So for this entire position, you you paid 32,000. Where's that?
It's on the top.
Total cost, you paid 32,000 and you got paid 8,000. So this is wrong. So this is N12 and it should be it should be N24. Why did that shift? Did we just change that?
No, I think that's how you did it.
Okay.
It says
False.
false.
What did we do? What did we do here? Where were we? Here?
See, that's the issue of not having stuff labeled the right way. Like
I totally agree
you
with you.
don't
I don't even
understand the
see where we are.
numbers.
I don't even that. I think that's why it's labeled here. This is
Profit
right.
growth.
Total cost is right. Projected. Oh, this is per share. Oh my god, dude, what is wrong with me?
Are you getting tired? Maybe too much.
No, no. This should be this number. Projected break even should be this plus this. So why does it go to 10,000? Okay, so this equals, that's from NVIDIA. Yeah.
It's Palantir.
Oh god, dude. Okay, so this equals this, this minus this. What does it say Palantir?
Because that's the label of the Excel sheet.
Oh, okay, perfect.
It's good because then you know that you're not working on the NVIDIA.
Projected break even is this, and remember we have 11 of these. So where is that captured?
Where did you do the 11 time at on the bottom? I think at the 8,000.
Here.
click on it. I think that's where you put no. Where did you put 11?
What is this? Credit received,
Mm.
current share price projected. I don't know. Are we missing it? Yeah.
I
Oh
remember
dear.
you did 11 times something. No, it's not this number.
Show me. Where are we getting our payout?
That's 12.
Current value.
That's
Total cost. New break even. Oh, new break even. Okay, here's where we are. Thank you. Let's fold this. Okay, so new break even is going to be current share price minus strike price. Yes. Now that should be times 11. So
that's new break even.
this should be let's fix this. Yes, because this should be this number
Why don't you
times it's I think it says it there.
I feel
11.
why don't you see how you labeled this stuff?
Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm almost there. This number times this number. Yeah, there you go. Okay. And then this is coming up. What's this 100? Profit growth. Oh, that now it should be divided. Divided.
Oh, you put 200.
Oh, thank you. Here? Thank you. I felt it. 80%. That's reasonable. Okay. What is this false thing? Growth. Okay, so let's look at this real quick. So we spent 32,000 total, and this should be times 100 because it's only per share. I think that's what this says. I just have it too small, right? If it's wrap text. Here.
I was gonna say switch that
Break
the
even.
labeling and put it this. Let's see if you I don't remember if you can
On the other side.
on
Cut
the,
it and paste. Yeah.
here
Oh, yeah, yeah.
because
Yeah.
it's kind
It's
of
on the
like
wrong side.
yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Uh,
How do you do it? Cut.
cut and
Insert.
just be careful if
That's
you
how you do it. Insert.
Yeah, no. So it's
Go
on the
back.
other side.
Thank you.
Do it. Highlight the one with the numbers. That's the P.
No, it's the Q we want to put in front of the P.
Yeah, but you just did
Oh, okay.
You just did O,
Yeah,
and it didn't do.
Insert, cut cells.
There you go.
That's right.
Yeah, go down.
Total cost.
What did it do? Go down. I want to see the bottom numbers. Yeah, I did mess it up.
Okay, go back one then. Okay, so we just want to put this over here.
Here, is it messed up already?
No, it's back to normal, isn't it? Isn't
Let
that what
me
it
see.
was? Look,
Oh,
I
that's
just
what
opened it a second ago. But do
Oh.
what you were gonna do. Do what you're.
No, I think you had it right.
No, I think it's just these numbers have to move over here, right? It's just these ones. I'm sorry.
You can move the whole column. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, go ahead.
I think we want to move just these labels,
The label.
right?
But you have to move the whole column, though. You have to insert a new column.
So I need this a little bit bigger. Okay.
So it's going to be on
there's
the 90.
nothing here, right?
So 90.
So it's just I don't need the whole column, do I?
Why?
I don't need the whole column. How do I undo it?
If you don't submit the whole column, then how are you going to, how is it going to shift?
Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't. Do we need the whole column to shift? Don't we just need these pieces?
Okay, if we put
Oh,
those
they are. They
pieces,
no, you're right. They are all on.
they
They're all together, right? Cost per days is cost per days. So like this should actually.
just do it and see how it looks, like what you had done before. Click on cut and paste on P.
Oh, from right here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. Cut, insert copied cells.
Did you copy it?
Hang on, isn't there a way to just insert and then you can go in and kind of select it?
You can move the cell, I think. Just drag.
Did that do it? That did it, right? Projected break
But
even.
you put it again. You put it on the wrong place.
Oh,
it needs to be
go
next to
here.
yeah. So
Okay.
highlight
Okay.
P.
P. Got you. Insert cut cells.
There we go. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Thank
you.
You just need to do everything else again.
Which ones? This looks right. Okay,
Yeah.
so we put in. Let's see. We put in $32,000.
What you could do now is move just these cells to that side.
Okay. Cut and paste.
Yeah, if it allows you. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, but highlight the whole. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Maybe.
I'm gonna color that in.
Oh, you chose the.
What?
You chose the wrong color.
I chose white.
Black.
No, I wanted black.
Oh, you want black?
Yeah, because this is the contract ends.
Okay.
And you got to buy a new contract.
So you're doing all this black then.
Yeah, perfect.
How about this? If there's nothing there.
No, I like that. Yeah, black it out.
And
yeah,
then,
okay. I think that looks good. Yeah, change the color on that.
I was gonna just highlight it.
No. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Like border it in and then change the color on it. Make it like. No. I don't think we need grids. Just the color, dude.
That's good.
Because it doesn't need to be part of the blue. Because that's different info.
But
so these are the charts.
Is this cost per days for this percentage?
Let's see, cost.
That's how you had it on the other side.
Oh yeah, let's look at the formula. All you have to do is look at the formula. So N12, okay, N12, these have to be dates. No, cost, okay, so 32,000, so the N12, that's
divided
right.
By,
divided by M16. M16 should be
the days.
Dude, that's right on. And then times, or divided by 100. Why divided by 100?
A percentage?
You get a percentage. 90%. And that rings true, right? If it costs you 32,000, you're about to get 73,000. That's like what 64 would be 100. No, it's not right. Undo, go into that formula again.
This one?
No, undo this formula. This isn't right. I don't know about this 100. I just want to see what this does. 9,000. This is not a percentage, is it? It should be cost. So money locked up, time divided by days, 361.
That divides it into the cost per day, right?
That divides it into the cost per day.
And then you want the cost per day, but then you want the percentage of that, or
graphing. It's graphing information. I want to know how long you had money locked up for. Right? So I think this equation is backwards. Okay, so let's look at it. So this is right. It's time. Dude, I don't know why we're not just looking at opportunity costs. That's why we look this up. Convert time into money. Hour value times hours spent. Capital growth
That's not
invested.
what you're
FV.
doing.
Invested 2,000.
Why don't you just put cost per day and then
Compare return on investment. Now let's see. Gain. Oh, this is it. ROI. Gain minus cost divided by cost. Oh my God. That's what you want to look up. We don't need. Ah!
still gain?
Uh, that's what we want to look at. Let's do that. Okay. Exactly like they say it.
You should write it
Gain.
down. Gain minus.
Gain is this number, and it's going to be minus cost, this number. Let's put that in parentheses, right?
Yep, divided by cost.
Divided by cost. Divided by cost. Right? That's the formula. And now I put it in the wrong.
Where'd you put it?
I put it in the time days. Cut.
Why are you cutting it?
Because it's gonna go here.
I don't know if it's gonna work the same. If you just
No, I have to go. I have to go put in.
formula.
I have to go put in the days, which is what here. This equals here minus here. I think we did before. 361. Okay. Okay. So our opportunity cost. This is opportunity cost.
Yeah, put ROI or.
It's the same thing. Compare return on investment. ROI. That's ROI. This is what it should be called.
Put the formula though.
I'm going to copy and paste it. I think I can.
Yep. Just copy.
No, you know what? I think the reason it's having the trouble is these pictures. Do we need them?
Why this? No, it's not having trouble. I don't think so.
Oh, I have to replace these. These are still NVIDIA's pictures. I have to put the Palantir ones on. Yeah, I haven't done the Palantir. Is my snipper up? Is this part of the Palantir? No, I didn't even do the Palantirs yet. That's what it was. Okay. All right, so this one's pretty good. We put in 3,000 and we're getting out 8,000 per. We're getting out what? 8,000 per, and there should be 11 of them. And is that this? K25. Yes. Times K12. Yes. Awesome. So growth. Okay, isn't growth on here? Capital growth. Convert time into money. Growth is your time is where. Isn't it this one? Hourly value.
Capital growth. That's
Capital growth. If you invest. Where are they getting the 10 years? This thing?
To the power of 10. Yeah, 10 years.
So
it's an example. If you invest, say, 2,000 at 8% for 10 years, so that's the formula. So 2,000 times, where's the 1.08 coming from?
That is representative of 8%.
So the true cost of spending that time today is like
is that the right one? I feel like this ROI really points you in the right direction. Right? If you're going to get 126%, so let's break this thing down. If you're going to spend, if I told you you were going to spend gain minus what you give me, right, cost, and that is going to be, that whole thing is going to be divided by cost,
Mhm.
right? And that signifies you put your money out there and you were able to get back more for it. You put out 32K and you're going to get out 73,000. Like that's pretty good. And some of your position, some of your cost went down, so you didn't spend 32,000. That's is that what we're missing? You break even. It's going to be this. It's going to be this. Minus this. Okay. Because you took money out of this position. You gave me money. I gave you some back, and you held on to the position, and you're getting more back. So you're getting paid 2 times. Okay. So where are we? Here. So now current share price. Now the profit changes because the profit assumes what your cost is, and you have a new cost. Right now, your new break even, your break even before was 10,554. Your new break even should be less. Oh, it's already calculated for you. So then your total profit should be your gain. What's the projected here? Did I hit that one? Profit. It should be, yep, 25 times 12, not times 100, but minus this number. This
Yeah.
is adjusted cost.
They just change.
Adjusted cost. Because your profit changes. So divided by this number. This should be on your twice, right? Isn't it gain minus cost? Because your ROI is changing.
Wait, why are you doing the the ROI again?
Because it didn't. It changes. Because this is the initial ROI for the position, right? But you don't. Did we change?
Yeah.
But this one is off of this map, Q26. Q26.
So then,
Projected expiration, yeah, 136.93, that's right. 136.93, that's right, perfect.
so then, shouldn't you do the same thing if it changes for the other one? For
Okay, so it's gain minus cost.
which is the gain there
Wait,
down?
where did I adjust the gain here? Where's this your cost?
It's not labeled, huh?
It's not on here. So new cost. You go here. Okay, this is going to be this number.
The cost.
Cost, right?
If you're doing exactly the same thing, yeah.
Wait, is it cost or is it gain? Because you're talking about the profit.
I mean, are you using the initial number that it cost you, or the number that
So
you
your
it
cost
became?
input changed. So your cost input changed. So this should be.
So what is the change of the
Oh,
cost?
okay. Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's the
29.
what you the number
Okay,
you
so
will
this
use.
goes in parentheses. This goes in parentheses,
Okay.
and then it's times 100.
I'm getting hungry.
Thank you. Oh my god.
It cannot be a times 100. I think it. Oh, here it is. Is this it? Minus 710. M23. I'm missing one thing. What are you gonna have? I'm hungry. Oh, piece of pizza? Oh, dude, bring it over, man. Let's watch a little TV. I'm super close on this thing. Cost minus your credit. Credit is 735. Where is that? New. Okay, I got your graph information. What? What about it? So if the money goes in at a certain time, and then it gets adjusted down, dude, all your numbers are changing a little bit. Because now you're working your ROI off this number against your projected expiration. So now this is what I was missing. The adjusted credit, right? Because you spent 29.58 originally, but then you were given $735. So now you don't have $3,000 in there anymore. You only have 2,223. But now that's going to be compared against getting $66. That's going to be 300%. So this is going to be parentheses. This number minus this number divided by this number. You put times there. What? You didn't put division. I didn't finish it. Times? Divide. You said divided. You were saying divided. Oh, divided by cost. Yeah. Divided by. If you're doing the ROI. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Pick this number. What? What not? Oh, it's on currency percentage. It cannot be a negative 100%. Oh, did I miss something? Did I miss something on the equation? What is opportunity cost? It's a R. This. Yeah, that one. Gain. Gain. Which is this one. Q25. Yep. adjusted 20. Wait, what did I put? Oh my god, that's it right there. That's it right there. This is wrong. Should be this. Divided by. Oops. Divided by this. There you go. 201%. So you spent $3,000 and you're getting back just over 6,000 initially. But then you were paid here. So now you only have $2,223 in this position. And it changes your ROI to 200%. Right? Like you've doubled your money. I mean, dude. So that's when you double your money, that means 100. You made 100% on that amount of money. So on this block, this money doubled.
You could actually
bank-
do a bar graph for that then, like showing how first it was at a certain level and then
Well, so that's what I'm telling you. What the stock market is you're just these are floating between times.
Yeah.
Right, and so last year these positions were just much smaller. And they've grown with these credits into other positions. I feel like they're like, I have 3 $100,000 positions expiring this year. Last year the total was 200. So, all right, let's call it. That was amazing. Let's watch Mission Impossible. What is it? The 13th one with Tom Cruise? Oh my god, I think these things died.